Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Our today's topic is distance from a point to a line. How do we, let us understand the concepts behind it. So we have a diagram here where there is a point P and a line L. We are going to learn how to find the distance of this point P from the line L. So distance from the point P to any point on the line L is found by drawing a straight line from P to that point L, so which is a perpendicular line. So the perpendicular distance from point P to the line L is the shortest distance, and that is what we call as the distance of a point from a line. So if you take any other point, so this is PM is our shortest. If you take any other point Q, so here PQM is a right triangle. So hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse, PQ is hypotenuse. So we'll have PQ will be greater than PM. So this happens to any point that we take on a line. That is how the perpendicular distance from a point P to line L is always the shortest distance, and that we call as a distance of a point from a line. So if you are asked to find the distance from a point to line L, you will need to find the shortest distance, that is the perpendicular distance from the point to a line. Let us take example. Find the shortest distance from the point P to the line QR. So we drop the perpendicular from P to line QR, and let us say this x is the distance. So we need to find x. So here we will be using trigonometry. So we have a right triangle here where sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So we get sine 28 is equal to x upon 6. So you get x is equal to 6 times sine 28. Using the calculator, you get this as 2.82. 6 times sine 28, you get 2.82. This is how the shortest distance from point to P to line QR is 2.82 centimeter. Got it? Let's take one more example. Find the shortest distance from the point P2 minus 3 to the line y is equal to 2x plus 3. So we are given a line y is equal to 2x plus 3. And from point 2 minus 3, we have to find the shortest distance. So we drop the perpendicular. So we have dropped the perpendicular from 2 minus 3 on the given line. So we find the equation of the perpendicular line that passes through 2 minus 3, perpendicular to this line. Now we know, we have already learned how to find the equation of the lines which are perpendicular to given line, or how are the slopes of the perpendicular lines. So we have slope of the line y is equal to 2x. This is y is equal to mx plus c form, where m is called a slope. So your slope is 2 here. And slope of a perpendicular line is a negative reciprocal. So the slope of the line which is perpendicular to given line, the red line, the perpendicular that we have drawn, the slope is going to be minus 1 by 2, because m1 times m2 is equal to minus 1 for this perpendicular line. So 2 times minus 1 by 2, you get minus 1. That is how the slope of this perpendicular line is going to be minus 1 by 2. Now to find the equation of a line, we have the format y is equal to mx plus c. So equation of this perpendicular line is going to be y is equal to minus 1 of 1 by 2x plus c, where we need to find the y-intercept. C is the point where line cuts y-axis. So 2 minus 3 is the point from where it passes. Let us substitute the values. This is your x and y. Substitute this in this equation. So y is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 2. You get minus 1 moves over here. Minus 3 plus 1, you get c is equal to minus 2. So this is how you got the y-intercept as c is equal to minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 is the point. This one point you got now. Y-intercept is minus 2. Have the equation of a line is y is equal to minus 1 by 2 x minus 2. So this is the equation of a perpendicular line to the given line 2x plus 3. Got it? We first found the y-intercept, the slope of the line, as the slope is the negative reciprocal that of the given line. And we found the y-intercept, that is c, substituting the values of 2 and minus 3 in this equation. And this is how the equation of the perpendicular line, we get it as y is equal to minus half x minus 2. Now for this, now we need to find where these two lines intersect, the point of intersection. The point of intersection of the line y is equal to 2x plus 3 and y is equal to minus half x minus 2. Let us equate the values Equating these values, minus half x goes here, it becomes 2 and 2 1 by 2x, which is nothing but 5 by 2x. Okay, so this x will be equal to minus 5 times 2 by 5, and that is how you get the value of x as minus 2. Now substituting this value of x as minus 2 in the given equation of a line, you get 2 of minus 2 plus 3. 2 of minus 2 is minus 4 plus 3, which is minus 1. So the point of intersection is minus 2, minus 1. The point of intersection of these lines is minus 2, minus 1. Now you have to find the distance between these 2 points using the distance formula. We have the distance formula. This is your x1, y1, and this is your x2. This is your x2, y2. So we have the distance formula, root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Let us substitute the values in the formula. So you get d square, that is distance square, is 2 minus of minus 2 the whole square plus minus 3 minus of minus 1 the whole square. Minus of minus 2 is plus 2. This you get 4 square plus minus 3 plus 1 becomes minus 2 square. 4 square is 16 and minus 2 square is 4. So we get 16 plus 4, which is 20. Use your calculator. So you get d is equal to root of 20, and which is 4.47. So this is how the distance of point 2 minus 3 from the given line y is equal to 2x plus 3 is going to be 4.47 units. Got it? So children, if you like the video, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.